The night of February 3rd is Doggy Date Night. We are all exhausted from working all day on a regular basis. On this special night, let's put aside our chores and spend a quality evening with our dogs. Dogs are loyal and protective. Dogs have never been good companions for us humans. Whether they're working dogs that act as guards, trained companions that help the disabled, hunting dogs that can run faster than cheetahs, or just plain but beloved family dogs, dogs deserve all the love and attention we can get. To learn more about the relationship between our dogs and us humans, this evening try to understand the practical benefits of having a dog in our daily lives. The effort of walking and playing with our dogs means that our dogs provide us the responsibility of exercising in a healthy way and allow us to reach our daily physical activity goals. And these exercises can also make it easier for us to sleep well at night. Dogs can minimize depression by reducing our feelings of isolation. People who interact regularly with dogs tend to show significantly lower levels of stress and anxiety. People who own dogs have a lower incidence of cardiovascular problems. On this evening, play games such as fetch or frisbee with our dogs or go for a relaxing evening hike. Or snuggle with each other on the sofa and let our dogs feel valued and pampered by us. We can share some doggy trivia with friends or family to remind them of the importance of this special day. This precious evening can also be spent in a pet shop. Take a walk around the pet shop and let our dogs pick out their own satisfying treats or toys. It might be a good idea to pick up some special winter coats for our dogs so that they can not only keep the cold out but will look more stylish on their walks. All in all, spend a little more time with our dogs and share in the fun. This is a painting we've done with oil pastels for this special day. Wish you a great Doggy Date Night. Cheers!